Hello, my name is Ashish Kumar Agarwal and I have enrolled for Freedom Investor Hub Level 1 course. I have gone through the course and I found it very good, and Modit has done a very good job by compiling all the things in this course. This is very easy to understand, very simple, and very crisp knowledge is given in this, which is point to point. And the main benefit of this course is that this particular every Wednesday we are meeting live for this particular course, which is very good thing. And in that live sessions we are able to find out many things in current market scenario. Apart from this, he is also taking giving other benefits like free courses and other option bootcamp also I have attended, which was very good to find out the option strategy and to know the basics of option and futures. And apart from this, he has also taken class of ETF, and he has also discussed the things which Modit is doing with his portfolio, or how he is trading, and providing the information regarding the strategy. In total, I found this course very good, and I recommend this course to every beginner. Apart from this, the person who are those who are having experience in this stock market field, they can also go for this course to brush up the knowledge and to get more in detail. Actually, I am also working in stock market since 10 years. Many things were there which I was not known, or but I got to know all those things through this Investor Hub course. So I strongly recommend everyone to go for it and at least try once. It is not fake, and you can trust on this. While doing the registration, I thought it may be fake, or because many such courses are you can see in social media, or we are getting calls also from many people. But it is not fake, nothing is there to worry. If you are spending something, I am definitely sure that you will be getting much more out of it. And in terms of return, it is we cannot calculate the return which we are getting from learning this thing and the courses. Thank you very much, Modit, and keep it up, and I wish you best of luck for your future, and so that you grow, and you also provide us more opportunity and more knowledge to us. Thank you very much.